Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can predict next candlestick on OTC markets with candlestick psychology. So let's start. Okay, what I mean by candlestick psychology, that is, it's just like trading how you feel that's going to happen in the market. That is what I mean by candlestick psychology. Trading how you feel what is going to happen in the market. So that is what I mean by candlestick psychology. So the sellers will continue to this level. That means after this, okay, I'm going to place put option because next candle opens here. So after this candle, if we close here, sellers will still enter, but it's now at the level, or there was a gap up and the next candle opens here, so the seller will still enter again on the next candle and the minor downtrend. So that's why I place put option. The seller's movement, only seller's movement. Okay, so the sellers will reach this level, I think so. Okay, now it's at the level with strong rejection, but I'll still place put option because of this movement, strong sellers movement. So sellers again will still enter to fill the gap from here to here, so sellers will still fill the gap. That's why I place put option. Okay, a seller's movement as well, while the next level is here. So let's see what's going to happen here. Just want to take 5 trades and get out of the market because this is OTC market. Okay, the buyers, the market change direction. I don't really understand what the market is doing here. I think the buyers will still enter again on the next candle. So I place call option because the buyers will still enter again on the next candle. I think this is because of doji candlestick, no sign of sellers. I think because there's no sign of sellers here to reach the level here, so the buyers will enter on the next candle. A downtrend. Okay, I'm going to place call option. Place call option because the next seller's level is here, so we should expect buyers entry again on the next candle. Don't know why the market is candle is still jumping up and down. Next candle opens here. Okay, buyers enter. Okay, I'm in long this trade, so let's see what's going to happen. Then I'll place the trade again, and this, if this candle will close as bullish, buyers will enter again. I'm going to place put option. So I place put option because no bullish candle, so sellers will enter the gain on the next candle. I lost this trade because the buyers doesn't want to go more up, so sellers will still go more down. So I'll place my trade with some margin of safety. I'm going to place put option. Oh shit, I place put option because the buyers are not interested to go up, so it seems the sellers want to go more down. Okay, and this is a continuation sign of this downtrend, so sellers again we entered on the next candle, but my entry is very bad. Let's see if I lost this trade. I'll place one more trade. Okay. So a minor uptrend. I think the buyer should enter the gain on the next candle, or I place my trade with some margin of safety, but I think the buyer should enter the gain to this level because the trend is uptrend. So that's why I place call option, and this will be my last trade. Either the buyers will enter or it should close above my entry because the next level is here, and this candle was rejected from that level. So I think the buyers again will still enter just to touch the level. Okay, I won the trade. So finally I took 7 trades. One is OTM. The first trade I took here was because of this level and the trend is down, and this candle reached the level, no rejection. So if there's any rejection, I will go with buyers, but there's no rejection. So the next candle still opens here, so that means the seller will still enter the gain on the next candle. And I placed put option here because the next level is here. This candle got rejection from that level and still far from the level. You can go on the left side by drawing your levels on buyer's area, but this is not what the market wants. The market is going down because of this strong sellers movement. Next level is here, so the sellers will again enter. This candle didn't reach that level. Sellers again entered and touched the body, touched the level, so that's why the buyers entered. And here, this is uptrend. Next level is here, which I expect the sellers to enter. I think because of no interest of sellers here, so the buyers will enter. I was expecting that if sellers entered, at least they will continue to this level, but a doji candlestick form means that no interest of sellers, so buyers will enter. And here I place call option because I was expecting the buyers will go up to reach this level, but unfortunately the buyers did not enter, sellers enter. So that means the buyers are not interested to go up, though the trend is down. But in this kind of situation, buyers should enter, but it seems the buyers are not interested to go up, so sellers go down. So that's why I place lower option on the next candle. Okay, because the sellers want to go more down, and there was a rejection, but the sellers want to go more down, a continuation sign. Okay, so I placed put option because the trend is down. Okay, I was expecting to see a bullish candle here, but unfortunately sellers entered. Means the market want to go more down from this level because of this downtrend. No buyers entry. If there is buyers entry, I will go with buyers again on the next candle just to reach this level, but no buyers entry. So okay, and this I place call option because the trend is up, and this candle was rejected from that level, but they didn't reach that level. This is not how you can say the market reached that level, except something like this. You can see the body touch the level, so I place call option in the direction of the trend just for the body to touch this resistance level. Okay, this is how you can place your trade, and this is how you can analyze the market in a psychological way on OTC market and remarket. This is how exactly I do trade on Forex. Okay, this is how I trade on Forex. So finally I took 7 trades. 1 is OTM, 6 is ITM. So if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.